6:13 this morning. Man, was it a nice weekend in the valley. And it was a nicer weekend in many locations. In general, you compare these temperatures to what we were seeing last week, they're a lot better. It's actually a struggle to find those really cold temperatures. You know, we were seeing so many 20s and teens, and notice there's a 3 up in Caribou, Maine, but in most places, temperatures are pretty reasonable for this time of year. We've gone back to where we should be. And that includes us here in the valley. We're mainly in the upper 50s this morning, and that's normal for this time of year. And we're going to have normal high temperatures this afternoon. Highs are going to be around 79. Should be feeling great. Really, it's going to feel very similar to yesterday. If you liked yesterday, you're going to like today. I think there's going to be even more sun, though, today. Partly cloudy to start this morning, especially in the lower valley. There's a very weak front trying to work over us, and that's why we're going to have more clouds this morning than what we're going to see this afternoon. Actually, some additional drier air is going to keep working in here, and that's what I think is going to help break up the clouds. So most of the day, yeah, a few clouds, especially in the lower valley, but I think everybody, even near the coast, by 6 o'clock this evening, are going to be seeing those clear skies, and I think it's going to stay clear for much of the night. But I do think we have a better chance of seeing fog tomorrow. We're already seeing fog in some places this morning, and particularly in the lower valley, but I think it's going to be more widespread tomorrow, and more importantly, I think it's going to be thicker tomorrow. We could see a dense fog advisory. It's been a while since we've had one, but it's going to be one of those situations where it looks like widespread fog, and though it's not going to be dense everywhere, it will be dense in spots. So I think it's going to be a slower morning commute tomorrow. And I think definitely more fog in the upper valley tomorrow morning. I think there could still be fog in the lower valley, too. I don't want you to think, even though the model is showing less here, that would only be if there's a breeze tomorrow morning. The lighter the winds, the more fog there's going to be, the denser it's going to be. So that's just the early morning, though. By 10 a.m., notice that the fog is gone. And otherwise, it's going to be nice tomorrow, too. Mostly sunny skies. The humidity's still comfortable. But by the time we get to Wednesday, it's going to get windy, it's going to get muggy, and it's going to get warmer. But there's not going to be much rain over the next week. When you look at the rainfall map, there's going to be a lot of rain in some locations. In fact, notice where the heaviest rain is going to be in Arizona. Yes, out in the desert. And there's going to be enough rain, especially Tuesday and Wednesday, where I think there could be flooding. That is not the case for us, though. Our only chance of rain is Friday night and Saturday morning. That's with a real cold front that's going to be coming in. Not super strong front, but enough to bring some showers. But notice there are probably going to be some missing out. The best chance of rain looking like it's going to be near the coast. And yes, it's a possibility that the area that needs the rain the most, Western Starr County, you could stay completely dry. The rain may not come for you, but we'll keep you posted on that. And remember, it's not until Friday night, Saturday morning that our rain chance comes back. Until then, it's going to be dry. Today, a nice day. Yes, some light fog in spots this morning, but eventually skies are going to become clear this afternoon, low humidity, light winds. Too bad we have to go to work today because it would be nice just to sit outside and enjoy the nice weather. And it's going to be nice much of the night tonight. Bit on the chilly side, but nothing unusual for this time of year. 58. Clear skies most of the night, but late tonight, especially around 3, 4 a.m., that fog is going to start to build. And there will be fog around for tomorrow morning, but only during the early morning hours. By 9:30, 10 o'clock, it's gone. Mostly sunny, 82. 85 on Wednesday, yes, warming up. And then we hang out around 85 for 3 days, but the humidity getting a little bit higher each day. It might be very humid on Friday, but then the cold front comes, and look at that. From mid-80s Friday to the mid-70s on Saturday, low 70s on Sunday. Yes, it's looking like we could be in for another very nice weekend with just a 10% chance of showers Saturday morning.